Jamel Anderson with Transworld Electrical Contractors. We're still continuing celebrating our 30 years of excellence. Welcome to the month of October, everyone. October brings in cooler weather with fall, also Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and also Fire Safety Month. Today I would like to talk about fire safety in the workplace. Just a few tips to keep in mind as you think about your daily tasks throughout the day. You want to ensure that you have proper and safe evacuation routes. You need to have them posted in your office space. Every employee needs to know which way to get out, and you also want to make sure all of your disabled people are able to get out as well. You want to practice routinely fire drills to conduct a safe manner on escape. You want to know where your fire extinguishers are and the proper use of them as well. You also want to make sure all of your fire safety equipment are enabled and working correctly. That's your sprinkler systems and your smoke detectors. Your smoke detectors need to be tested monthly. Also, batteries should be replaced about every 6 months or so. But let me talk about some preventions. Dealing with electrical, there are certain things you need to think of. Dust accumulating on electronic equipment or machinery. Those need to be removed and maintenance regularly. You want to make sure there's no worn or frayed or damaged cords or outlets or anything of that sort. Those need to be repaired or replaced as soon as possible. Also, you want to make sure that all of your electrical panels and your control panels are free of any storage or materials, because you're going to need to be able to get to those things rather quickly to be able to disengage power to equipment, just in case there's an issue. So keep that in mind as well. All of your chemicals need to be stored in the correct areas and disposed of safely as well. That includes your soil and oily rags. They need to be kept in a container, preferably metal, and disposed of as well. One of the biggest things we run into this time of month is overloading of electrical circuits. In all office spaces we go into, we hear the breakers tripping all of a sudden. Please be aware that most office spaces wasn't designed to have space heaters plugged into many offices. So, word of advice, before you plug it in, you may want to ask and make sure that, is it safe for me to plug this into this circuit before just going ahead and doing it. Just a few tips to bring to you to keep in mind as we celebrate this month of October. Thank you for tuning in.